For welding aluminum plates, we need to find the focal point. We need to increase the power, depending on the thickness of the plate. Increase the power according to the thickness of the wire. Alright, let's start with the joint weld. How to find the focal point for metal plates? For metal plates like iron, stainless steel, and galvanized steel, we first need to lower the power because they have less reflectivity. We have set the power to 300 watts. We set the scanning speed to 300. We change the power to 300. Then clamp the workpiece on the welder. Emit the laser. Observe the gradual increase in the intensity of the laser flow. When you hear a sizzling sound, it indicates that it is electrified. At this point, we need to extend the gun barrel and make it align with this workpiece. It's approximately 3 to 4 millimeters. Extend the gun barrel. Check it. The humidity we extended is just right, from weak to strong. Alright, let's stick it on top. There are sparks. Alright, this indicates that we have found the focal point.